El Yoyoy Villamin, born November 7, 1958, in Labo, Camarines Norte, Philippines, is a retired Filipino professional basketball player in the Philippine Basketball Association PBA. Standing 6 feet 3 inches on a muscular frame, Villamin earned the moniker Bicolano Superman because of his strong inside game and ability to dominate on both ends of the court. He played for Solid Mills and later Asia Pacific Finance Corporation, APCOR, in the MICAA, where he distinguished himself as a valuable big man playing both center and forward positions. PBA career, Villamin was one of the 5 players recruited by the Crispa Redmanizers during the final conference of the 1981 PBA season. In 1983, he was Crispa's leading offensive rebounder in the All-Filipino while finishing the conference 3rd overall in rebounds. After 5 seasons, Yoyoy became the 4th player in the PBA protected list, meaning he could not play alongside top centers Raymond Fernandez, Abed Guidaban, and Manny Victorino on the same team. In his first season with Hill's brothers Coffee Kings in 1987, Villamin finished 2nd in the MVP race to Abet Guidaban, the eventual MVP winner. But his performance merited the award from the Philippine Sports Writers Association (PSA) and Sports Columnists Organization of the Philippines (SCOOP) as their most outstanding pro player of the year in 1987. It was also during this phenomenal season that Villamin came to be known as the other half of Alaska's Twin Tower combination, known as the Bruise Brothers, alongside another tough defensive big man Ricky Relosa. A knee injury slowed him down in later years, starting with his stint with Diet Sarsi after Alaska dropped him from their lineup beginning the 1991 season, opting for younger players in a major revamp. He played his final year in the PBA at age 40, one of the very few players to play in the Pro League in their 40s, and briefly saw action in the Metropolitan Basketball Association for the Iloilo Megavolt along with Joey Mente, Vince Heisen, Don Polistico, Jojo Limit, Dominic I, and others. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs.